applause, everyone. Okay. So now, I have Jessica to have their message to each and every one of us before we proceed to the very exciting part of this program. Okay?
Annyeong. Hello. First of all, I want to say thank you to everyone who was able to attend. Alam ko na malayo. First off, I want to thank God for making today possible, for keeping my life and the 18 years of my life. A lot has happened to me in 18 years, but I'm still standing here and I'm able to give thanks. Secondly, I want to say thank you to my parents for everything, for making today possible. Alam ko, gastos ko talaga. But they were able to provide for me even when it was stressful for them. Next, I want to say thank you to my siblings. Kahit wala naman ginawa nila sa akin. But,
Tagalog.
they were supportive. And everything, they helped me a lot in my life. So I just want to say thank you. Thirdly, I want to say thank you to my friends. To my friends from grade 5, sila Ezekiel. And I just want to say I'm thankful for our years from grade 5 until now. We're still close and we're still friends. And you guys are really supportive. You guys give me advice, and I just want to say thank you so much. And to my grade 10 friend, Yishin, thank you so much for coming. Even though may pasok ka today, I just want to say thank you for making the time for me today. Okay, skip it. Grade 11 and 12. To my closest friend, Yani, to my best friend, Yani, to my Hughes, wag na. Recently, and we had a lot of trials during grade 11 and 12, and it was hard for us, but we were able to overcome it. And to my best friend, Yani, there's a lot of things that's happened to us, and we're still very close, and I just want to say thank you for everything, for listening to my rants, for listening to my anger, my happiness, and every moment of my life. To my other friends from grade 11 and 12, from Brands, Lian, si Johan, si Jared, si Vicky, si Kurt. Hoy, pumasok kayo! I just want to say thank you for being here. Kahit di kami super close. To my other friends na si Chrislyn, si Kristen, si Sheen, si Chandler. I just want to say thank you for letting me know you guys and be part of your lives. And I hope we have more celebrations together. So I just want to say thank you to everyone who was able to be here. And I just want to say you guys made my day very memorable. And lastly, to our host, thank you so much for organizing this party to be very enjoyable for everybody, and including me. I just want to say thank you. And yun lang.
Okay.